Hello friends, this is Ed and I'm bringing you Shashlik. It can also be called Russian barbecue, or you can call it Eastern European version of kebab. However you want to call it, it is a staple of Latvian barbecue culture and it is really simple to prepare. I will start by cleaning and cutting up 7 onions. You can go with 5, you can go with 10, it all depends on the size of your meat. The sweet spot that I have found in my marinades is somewhere around 3 normal sized onions per 1 kilo of meat. As we are going to use these onions only for the marination process, there is no need to cut them into perfectly sized pieces. All you need to do is cut them into smaller pieces so it's easier for them to give out the flavor. If you happen to have a great gadget like onion chopper or mandolin slicer or something similar, then this is a great place to use it so you don't have to cry during the process. But all that said, a sharp knife will get the job done and your wife will have less dishes to wash. Then to all the cut up onion I will add juice of 1 lemon. Readjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing and start grinding up the black pepper. Here you have to grind till you get tired and then grind a little bit more. Once you are bored with all the pepper cracking, grind some more. And then you're probably done. And you can add its best friend to the marinade, some salt. And by some, again I mean quite a lot. Because it is a marinade and yeah, it will not stay directly on the meat. Probably most of it will stay in the marinade. But there should be enough. Then I decided to mix it all up for really no good reason, as I still need to add white wine vinegar to the marinade. And I added quite a lot. Again, it is like half a bottle of the vinegar because we are using 2.5 kilos of meat. I prefer to use pork shoulder, pork butt, however you want to call it, but the piece of meat that is marbled through with fat. As you probably know, there are great similarities with pork meat and people. Most of the flavor comes out of fat. I cut the meat really simple, into thick slices and then those slices into cubes. Now all that's left is to massage the meat and mix all the ingredients together before we let it be for at least 6 hours. But a good practice is to mix and prepare your meat in the previous day, then leave it in the fridge overnight and barbecue the next day. During the marination process, we don't want a lot of air to get to the meat. The easiest way is to put a dish on top of your bowl and forget about it. But you can also use a plastic wrap, aluminum foil, something to cover the top of the bowl. Next day, you are ready to grill. And I did exactly that. As I don't have a house and a yard where I could grill, I took grill with me, some charcoal, and went to the lakeside. Then you make sure that you are the one that starts the fire, wait till your coals turn white, and you're ready to put on the shashlik skewers. And this is a perfect moment to fix the mistakes of your past. If you happen to cut meat unevenly, some were too big, some were too small, now you can fix it all. You just put on a skewer smaller pieces at the ends of skewer and bigger pieces in the center, so they would all cook evenly and be ready all together. Then all that's left is the beautiful thing that is grilling. Turn some skewers, turn some vents, put on the lid, take it off, till you are satisfied with the meat. And invite some friends over and enjoy. Thank you for watching.